Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This Samsung twin cooling. This problem is no power at all. So let's see what is the problem. Okay, I have plugged it on. Okay, see there is no power and no light, and fan also not turning. So if you see, if it is no power, so at first we have to remove this back cover. There are 3 screws. Just remove 3 screws. After I remove the screws, then we will be back. Viewers, I have removed the back cover. So there are 2 PCB board. This is the inverter board and this is the main board. So now problem is main board, because main board is controlling light and inverter board also. So there is no light, so this main board has gone. So we have to change this main board, then will be okay. And I have new board. I bought it from online. You can buy it online or from Samsung Service Center. Okay dear viewers, this new board and that's old. So I'll change the new board, then video will be on. Before we change, just turn off the power. Then it's very easy to remove the connector. If you scared, you can, before you remove the connector, you can take picture, so it will be very easy for you. So it's really easy to remove. So I have removed, and this new board, actually it's very really, it's very easy to change. So I'll connect all the connector, then video will be back. So viewers, I have connected all the connector. So let's see, I turn it on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, I've connected. See how is it in front? Yeah, Alhamdulillah, there is light, and there is also light. It is turned, compressor also has turned on, so I can feel it. Compressor is running. So viewers, I'll keep 1 bottle of water, then see tomorrow morning how is it. Now is around 10 p.m. so I put this water bottle. Now fan also running and also spinning, so I can feel it's cool. See how is it tomorrow morning. So Alhamdulillah, it's working fine. So tomorrow morning video will be back, then I'll fix back this cover. Okay, bye. So dear viewers, today's next day. Now time is 9:30. So Alhamdulillah, see it's smoke and it has frozen. You can feel it cool. You can see freezer is okay, and freeze also okay. It's enough cool. So alhamdulillah, dear bears, it's working fine. So it has problem only this board. Okay, so very easy way to change this board. Thank you, dear bears. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.